Hello students, so this is your chemistry class and today we will start P block elements. In this chapter we will do physical and chemical properties of P block elements. After that group wise physical and chemical properties of elements like we have done in the S block elements. Now first question rises कि why the elements which are present in the P block are known as a P block elements. If we see in the periodic table on your right hand side, the elements which are present from 13 to 18 are known as a P block elements. S block elements are present on the left hand side and P block are present on the extreme right hand side. 13 to 18 are known as a P block elements. In the plus one we will do only 13 and 14th group elements. It starts from the boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. These are the first elements which are present in these groups like 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So 13 to 18 are the P block elements. Why these are known as a P block elements? Because in these elements the last electron enters in the P shell. Those elements in which when we are writing their electronic configuration according to their atomic numbers, last electron enters in the P shell. That's why the name is given कि these are the P block elements. Now next is their general electronic configuration of these elements. When we are talking about their general electronic configuration, it is NS2 NP1 to 6. NS2 means S shell is completely filled and in the P 1 to 6 electrons can be present. Now in each group like 13, 14 or to 18, first element shows different behavior than the other elements. As we have done in the S blocks, there are 4 points why this first element shows different behavior. First one is small size. Okay, as first element when we are moving down the group, the size increases because atomic number increases. With the increase in atomic number of shells around the nucleus also increases. That's why the first element is small in size. And second reason is कि they are high ionization energy. जो first element है, first element's ionization energy is high as compared to other elements in the same group. Next third point is high electronegativity. Electronegativity means it is the tendency or capacity of an atom to attract the shared electrons towards itself, and the first element in each group has a high electronegativity as compared to the other elements. Next fourth one is absence of d orbital. D orbital is absent in the first element of each group. So these are the main 4 points. That's why first element shows anomalous or different behavior from the other elements. Now first we will start from the 13th group elements in the P block. 13th group elements are boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Their atomic number boron 5, 13, 31, 49 and 81. These are the atomic numbers. When we talk about the boron, it exists in the 2 isotopes. Those are the 5 with atomic number 10 and second one is 5 atomic number and mass is 11. And now the boron isotope with mass number 11, it is present in more amount, that is 81%, and this isotope is available in the less amount. Next aluminium. Aluminium is present, it is the third most abundant element on the earth, third most. And gallium, indium and thallium, these are abundant in or present in or available in less amount. Now we will talk about their general properties of these 13th group elements. First one is their electronic configuration. Electronic configuration again, that is NS2 or MP1. In general it is 1 to 6. Like first I will write about the boron. When we are writing it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, 2, 2, 4 and 1, 5. Now after that I will write about the aluminium. It is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p1, 2 to 4 6, 10 to 12 and 1 13. So this is the electronic configuration. Now I will compare size with the electronic configuration. Now atomic size of group 13 group elements. When we move down the group, like when we are moving from boron to aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium, atomic size increases. Why this size increases? Because atomic number increases from 5 to 13, then 31 and 49. With the increase in size, the size of increases because number of shells increases around the nucleus. Like in case of boron, electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p1. When we are writing about the aluminium, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p1. It means aluminium size, atomic size is bigger as compared to boron. So atomic size of 13th group element increases when we are moving down the group. And again, when we compare their ionization energy, as ionization energy is inversely proportional to atomic size. With the increase in size, the ionization energy decreases. As we have discussed, when we are moving down the group, size increases. If size increases, it means down the group ionization energy decreases. When we are moving along group from boron to indium, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium, the ionization energy decreases and atomic size increases. And rest of the properties we will discuss in the next session. Thank you.